Hello viewers, in this video tutorial, I'm going to take you a professional question on SAT Mathematics level 2. And the question says we should solve for 2 raised to power square root of 2x plus 1 equal to what? Equal to 32. If this is your first time being here, I want you to hit the subscribe button because on this channel we'll give you professional questions, solutions on SAT, GRE question, and other professional mathematics. Now let's go straight to solving this question. If we want to solve this question that has to do with this, the first thing you need to bear in mind is two things. First, we can let this part of the question and the right hand part have a common base or a common what? A common power. It all depends on what the best way to solve for your question. Now, this time around, because 32 can be raised to can be raised to a power to have a base of 2, we're going to make these two equations, the left hand side and the right hand side, have a common base. Now to do that, we can say that our 2 raised to power square root of what? Of 2x plus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 32. So what we will now do is what? 2 raised to power square root of what? 2x plus 1 equal to what? 2 raised to power what? 5. And that is because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to what? Is equal to 32. So let's go straight. Haven't done that, we are going to now say uh, uh, 2 having a common base. 2 will cut what? 2. So we'll have what? We'll have we'll have uh we'll have a square root of, if 2 cuts 2, we'll have what? We'll have a square root of what? Of 2x plus what? Plus 1 equal to what? Equal to 5. So the powers will equate one another. And now in this instance, we'll have a square root and then we'll have it to be equal to 5. So we'll square root both sides we'll square both sides in order to remove the square root. Now, when we square both sides, we are going to have a square of what? Of 2x plus 1 square equal to what? 5 what? 5 square. Good. So square in this instance will cut the square root. So we'll have our 2x plus 1 to be equal to what? 5 raised to power what? 2. Good. So 5 raised to power 2 is 25. We're going to have our 2x plus 1 to be equal to what? 25. Good. So we are going to collect like times. So our 2x will be equal to what? 25 minus 1. So our 2x will be equal to what? 24. So we divide both sides by 2. If you divide both sides by 2, 2 will cut 2, and our x will be equal to what? 12. Very good. Now you see that power, square root power, which looks very frightening, is now reduced to what? To 12. This is how we bring about solutions to questions on SAT, mathematics, and other professional mathematics. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button because on this channel, we'll bring you solutions to questions like this. Thanks so much for watching and look forward to seeing you watch our subsequent videos.